Hello everybody, I am Tim Sykes here on safari in Africa, another one of my childhood dreams coming true. And I want you to save this important date, October 26th and 27th. I want you to join me, Tim Bowen, and several other millionaire traders in person in Las Vegas for 2 amazing days of learning and trading. As many of you know, I've spent the last few decades helping just normal people, everyday people, unlock extraordinary wealth in the stock market. I'm here today to tell you about another amazing opportunity that is just around the corner. I might be here in Africa, but I'm still teaching because our annual conference, a cornerstone event in the trading world, is set to take place October 26th and 27th this year in Las Vegas. We've been doing this now for 12 plus years now. It's crazy. Every single time we sell out, it is a place where the brightest minds gather to share insights, network, and take their trading and education to the next level. I want you, coming on luxury safaris like this too, eventually, if you work hard enough. This year, we're actually announcing something very special, early bird pricing. It's an opportunity for you to reserve your spot ahead of the crowd and get to save 70% off the regular ticket price. I don't want you to have any excuse not to learn. You did hear that right. We are slashing the price by 70% for those of you who are serious because we are so excited about this event. And it's not just about savings. It's about securing your spot in the most sought after trading event of the year. Normal ticket pricing is $1,000, but this year the early bird is only $297. So here is how it works. You need to put your name and info down to reserve your spot on the early bird pricing list before we shut it down. Then when the timer on this page goes to 0, we're going to email all of the people who reserved their spot on the early bird list. You will then be directed to a checkout page to lock in your 70% discount on my conference. This is only going to be available for the first 100 people who do it. I want more millionaire students, but only true action takers really accomplish things that they set out to. So after the first 100 spots are taken for early bird pricing, everybody else will pay regular price. I want you to take advantage of this. I want your childhood dreams coming true. Please save the date, October 26th and 27th. You will be emailed the early bird list. If you put your info below, only 100 early birds. And again, it's first come, first serve. I just love my job. I'm so grateful to be able to teach you guys. I want more millionaire students. It's not just about, luxury safaris here. We're actually doing charity too. It's all about doing what you love in life and really taking meaning in it. I'll post more from Africa. It's pretty crazy, but I look forward to meeting each of you and trading with you live. In Vegas. It's going to be a game-changing event. Like I said, I have nearly 36 millionaire students. All of them have come to this conference. All of them. Think about that. So I don't want anyone to miss out. Put your info below. Lock in the early bird savings. I'm excited to see you October 26th and 27th. I really like doing this with my students. I like hanging out with you guys. This isn't just a job for me. This is my life. And I want to make that very clear. I wish that all of you guys had a job that you really were invested in 100% emotionally, demand-wise, just you believed in it. And that is the secret to success. A lot of people say, how do you get all this energy? How do you work this hard? It's because if you love it, it's not work. It's kind of beautiful. And I've been able to shape my business the way that I've wanted because I take such pride in it. And I want you guys to be able to do that with your own lives. It doesn't matter what you really love in life. The stock trading for me is a way to do what I love. Traveling, giving back, and teaching. And it's a means to an end. The money that you can make in the stock market can help you live the life that you want. There's so many upcoming students, and it's mind-blowing to see what you can do when you have the right mindset, when you have the right strategy. Even with this turbulent time, there's money to be made.
The energy level of all the other fellow students here is beyond compare to other conferences and other things that I've had experience at.
It's inspiring being around people who are go-getters. They're not the people who are complaining on social media. They're the ones that say, that's the place I want to be, I want to get to that goal, and I'm going to do everything I want to be able to make it to that goal.
That's what this is all about, okay? It's about getting you guys the life that you want and the life of your choice, not building somebody else's dreams, not working for a boss. What you can control is your preparation and your knowledge to get you the life that you want.